In front of me is OnePlus Open, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on Device Unlock and click on Screen Lock. Now tap on one of those password types to select a perfect one. Wait 5 seconds and choose Continue. Then, if you change your mind, you can always tap on Use a different password type and click on one of those options. I will stick with Pattern though. Create it and repeat it to confirm it. If you wish to add a fingerprint right away, choose Enable in the pop-up. If you don't, select Cancel. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!